Hey guys, welcome to Cafe.io. The past few weeks have been interesting. Two new models have come up and a very interesting tool. One common denominator is everybody's talking about how coding using large language models is getting efficient. And what I want to do is just dive into that topic quickly. So, first part of the video is going to be about GPT 4.5, which is the new model from GPT. It is still in research preview. The second is I will also talk about Sonnet 3.7, but much more importantly, I will show you how to download locally and set up Claude Code, which is a coding assistant. GPT 4.5 released on 27th February. I still don't have it even though I'm on a paid plan. Not sure what's happening, but maybe they are just trying to figure out how to just distribute it, or there's different sorts of tiers that they are thinking about it, maybe doing it geographically and whatnot. And just come back and show you it's fine. Yeah, as you see, I still don't have it. It's probably going to be available, but I did get access to deep research, which I'm going to show in the next video. 4.5 is the largest and best model for chat yet. It's a step forward in scaling up pre-training and post-training. This scaling unsupervised learning improves the ability to recognize patterns, draw connections, and create creative insights without reasoning. There is also a section which makes it more reasoning, enables more like reasoning. So two key themes that they talk about: how to have unsupervised learning increase the accuracy of the model and the intuition of the model, and scaling reasoning to improve the chain of thought. They have done both. So what was the first language? We don't know exactly what the first language was. It's like a chat simulation that they are showing. Deeper world knowledge, I've stopped trusting these numbers, but at least what they are telling is simple QA higher is better. GPT 4.5 is better than even O1 in terms of simple knowledge, which is simple Q&A questions. But in terms of hallucination rate, it's also having lower hallucinations, which is good. Training for human collaboration, I think everyday queries is good. Professional queries are also pumped up a little bit, like the human evaluators and then creative intelligence. This is benchmarking, giving the same test to human evaluators and GPT. So human preference measure the percentage where testers preferred GPT 4.5 over 4.0. So typically people have preferred the newer model. And then couple of different use cases, right? So they have helped me through a tough time. This is more, I say, this is more EQ centric. Following a test can feel pretty tough. This is more just, I don't know, just trying to jump on the solution, solving everything. Sometimes you need to list identifying a painting, space explanation. It's just generally, it's more succinct, it's more factual, is what they are saying. There is stronger reasoning, but not so much information. And obviously, as all models, there's like ideas around safety and all that. And they have come up with something called as, I think this was there. I don't think this is new. It's called preparedness framework. Is more risks associated with AI. Yeah, it's 2023. They've been talking about this for a while now in different names. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can have this available over all paid users. So if you go over to API limits, you should see the model being available. Yeah, it's somewhere there. GPT models. If you log in, it does show under 4.5 preview. Not sure why this is not coming up here, but it is available over APIs. I'm pretty sure I saw it today. It's a very large and compute intensive model. It's more expensive and not a replacement for 4. They're evaluating in the API long term. It's available over some user tiers. Go check it out. The second one, which is Claude. Before I go on installing Claude Code, I'm just going to talk about this. So 3.7 is the biggest model. They're more intelligent, up to date. Hybrid reasoning model on the market. It can give you near instant results or extended step-by-step thoughts. It's available across pro plans like free, pro, team, enterprise. And we have already started using it on Bedrock within our organization. So it's already available. Beats the SWE benchmark, which is just amazingly good. 62% accuracy on some software development workbench to solve real world software issues. Most models are less than 50. I was believing what Claude 3.1 was one already good basis my experiences, but again, this seems to be better. So in form of APIs, I always prefer this. This is what I use for building systems. Similarly, Tau Bench, this is much higher compared to OpenAI 3.5. So fundamentally, as with all model comparisons, this 3.7 64K extended thinking is having the graduate level reasoning like goes up to 84%. Grok seems to be having some better numbers. Actually, I have never tried Grok. OpenAI in the chat GPT modality is good, but over APIs, I always prefer Claude. I don't know why is that. And then multilingual Q&A, this is good. Visual reasoning, this is good. Most of the other scenarios is good. Like instruction following is really good. 96% math, 500. Although these mathematical tests are not very accurate, a research paper from Apple has proven that. I think I did a video about it. But again, this is pretty new model after a long while. And then this is Claude code rather than showing the article and hop onto it. This is how exploration is, and they're projecting AI to be. Claude is assisting in 2024, 25. Claude is helping collaborate, and Claude is helping drive solutions in 2025, which is just that could have taken teams years to achieve. This is how they are projecting. It's a great visual if you think about where AI is headed. All you need to do is an npm install -g at the rate Anthropic AI. I believe the link is here in the installation guide. Yeah. So there's the installation guide. You just copy this and install this, and that's pretty much it. You give it a command called Claude and go to full screen or add unlocked. Right. So you give it a command like Claude, and it gives you welcome to Claude Research Preview. Choose a language and a style. Oh, I think I just pressed enter. So it can try to log me. It just popped open a different window. I want to allow it. I don't have a paid account right now. It's mostly on a free tier, but I believe it should work. So on a different machine, just authentication, and it gives me the screen to authorize this. The moment I authorize this, it should redirect to some state. It wants me to buy something. Maybe I'll just do a small transaction. So it's basically, I have no idea why it wants me to the chats and just put $5 and these are API credits, so it's good enough for me. I usually keep, we'll see till when I chop it up. Okay, so it should be done. Let's see. This gives a bunch of security notes that this is a beta software, which we understand. And Claude can make mistakes. Prompt injection risk. Only use it with the code you trust. Press enter to continue. And basically saying proceed. Okay, page gonna need something like slash. Okay, it's completely. Let me see and if I can get a couple of more command. Okay. These slash commands are to work with Claude Code. I think it needs some more deeper dive, but this is how you can get started with Claude Code. All right. Thank you for listening. This was the end of the video. Thank you for listening. Bye.